4 of the 12 Weeks Christmas Countdown video tutorial series. My name is Lisa and I am the maker behind Sweet Favours Studios. I am so excited that you're here today for this quick, easy DIY Christmas favor. You guys, it is so cute, and it is using the mini Curvy Keepsake box die from Stampin Up. And all of the products used in today's video will be linked in my blog post at sweetfavourstudios.com, and I'll post a direct link to the blog directly below this video so you can catch all further details. But this box die is amazing because it will create these rather adorable, cute mini favors. They are so cute. This is the one that we'll be making today, but if you stick around and until the end of the video, I will show you some alternative projects as well and give you some ideas there. But we're going to be making this cute one today. I made some for Thanksgiving dinner yesterday, and they were a big hit, so I'm so excited. And the best part is that you don't need any adhesive. You just need a die cutting machine and these dies, and then it's up to you if you wanted to add any further embellishments. So let's get started. I'm going to pull over my Big Shot. Put that right there. And I'm going to pull out this gorgeous piece of the Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series paper. It is double-sided, but for the sake of the favor box for today, we're going to use this beautiful plaid side, and it is just one die. It is a 6x6 piece of GSP, as I said, and we'll run through the Big Shot, but we'll also take this oval tag that comes with the die set as well, and we'll take a piece of cherry cobbler paper and just run them both through the Big Shot at one time and save us some time. You guys, this is so quick and easy. You are going to be so amazed. So I'm just going to run this through. I'm going to bring this a bit closer. I'm going to run this through. When I run things through my Big Shot, I like to bring it forward and then just bring it back one more time. And then you will have your box. This is literally it, guys. It's one die. We are adding a tag, so we will add this tag right there. And that's all of the die cutting that we're going to do today. So wait until you see how easy it is. So this die, it cuts out the shape, but it also scores all of the lines that you need in it. So you can go ahead and fold on all four sides, and it's, as I said, it's really smooth and simple, so you don't even need to bring your bone folder. Like, it's that simple. I can't even get over it. There's also some score lines right at the top here. You might be able to have a hard time seeing it, just for the handle, so you just bend those back just like that. And we'll do the other side as well. And then you can start putting your box together. So I like to just press these down so you get that little bow in the two sides there. Bring this over, and then half of your box is already done. When you put your treat, now would be a time to do so. So I have these chocolates here, super delicious. They are from Costco. You get a bag of at least 100 for about $12. So they're delicious and they're inexpensive, and you can fit 4 of these bad boys in this one little box. You can also fit 1 Ferrero Rocher, like a Lindor chocolate, whatever you would like. And that is your box. How simple and quick is that? Like, that's it. Now we are going to add a pretty tag for the sake of this video tutorial. For this paper in particular, I just think it's so beautiful and classy that it kind of almost demands a little something extra. So I am going to go ahead and emboss a little sentiment on here. And with that, I'm using the So Many Stars bundle. And we're just going to use the peace stamp right here. So I already have that on my block, and I'm going to bring in my Versamark, and I will bring in my embossing buddy. Just smooth that over. And we're just going to ink that up. And this stamp fits perfectly on this oval. Give that a little press. You could probably make that out a little bit. Then we're going to bring in our white embossing powder. And I am just using a duckbill clip that's, you know, meant for your hair, but you know, things like this have more than one use. So I'm going to just use the end and grab my sentiment. And I'm just going to put some embossing powder over there. Give it a little tap. And then I'm going to heat emboss this off to the side, and I will speed up this part so you don't have to listen to it, but I'll be right back. And I'm back, and it's all done embossing. It's so pretty, just like that. So I'll get this embossing powder and ink right out of the way. You can go ahead and leave it like this, but I'm going to take it one step further because, you know, just this gorgeous paper. And I'm going to bring in our shimmery crystal effects. This is in the Stampin' Up 2019 holiday catalog. This creates a nice sheen, sparkly sheen over the sentiment. So I'm not sure if you could kind of see it on this one, maybe a little bit. It just adds a nice element to it. So I just have one of our Stampin' Sponges that I've cut into a quarter. And what I'm going to do is just add a couple of drops throughout, just a little bit like that. And I'm going to take my one side of my sponge and just drag it all over the sentiment. And of course you can fill in as needed. Not sure if you could see that sparkle, maybe a little bit. It just takes it up a notch. And then all you really need to do is adhere this. And so I'm going to bring in my Whisper White Baker's Twine. And a quick tip, because you want people to be able to open this easily, so you don't want to really wrap the twine around these handles, because then otherwise they either have to rip the paper or they have to cut it. And we don't want to do that. So you can open this back up. Did you notice how easy that was? I want you to thread a piece of your twine through the end there, and I'm just going to cut this off. Okay, and then pull it back through, so you're locking it back in place. And then you're taking the other end and putting it in from behind on the sentiment. And I just want to make sure that this is sort of centered. And then you're just going to tie a bow. So I like it when it kind of hangs off to the side like that, but you can tie it as tight or loose as you want. And then you're just going to put it in a little bow. Reshape that bow until you get a nice size that you want. And then you're just going to trim those edges of that twine. And then you are done your favor. I mean, how amazing is that? That was super quick and it's so easy. It's really, these would make great tree gifts, favors, think of weddings, or think of those treats that you send to school. If you have to make 25 or 30 of these, you will get them done in no time, because you can actually cut 2 boxes at one time. And if you're looking at this, I just noticed it's not quite dry yet, so it kind of looks a little off right now, but it will become nice and sheen just like this one. So let me just show you a couple other ideas that I have done. So think of birthday favors. Look at this cute little dino paper, also available in the holiday catalog, Stampin' Up Dino Days, and even just a quick friend stamp. And that's all you need for birthday. Of course, you got Valentine's Day one with this cute little paper. The All My Love DSP on clearance right now, I think for about $6 or less. So again, I will have all of the links posted on my blog at sweetpaperstudios.com. But just so simple and cute, gets the job done. Nothing fancy for classrooms. And here are a couple of other Christmas ones that I've done. So this one is some retired DSP that I've used, and I have just edged the tag here, and you know, from our house to yours, if you're having friends over, even family, this is from the From Our House to Yours stamp set in the holiday catalog. And of course, another retired DSP, just simple, added some blue just to highlight it a bit. The friend stamp is also from the My House to Yours stamp set, and it really is endless possibilities. I have one more here for you, a quick, easy, rather basic but super cute ribbon on here for Halloween if you're in a pinch and need to send something, you know, treats for your son or daughter's classroom. You know, this is just a quick way to do it. So I am so happy and excited to show you guys this. Of course, you can click the link below and like my video and subscribe if you don't already. I really appreciate you coming here today. And of course, you can visit my blog at sweetpaperstudios.com, and be sure to join me next week for week 5 of my 12 weeks of Christmas. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.